Need a quick photocopy using your Canon PIXMA E470? Follow these simple steps. First, lift the scanner lid and place your document face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the guide marks. Close the scanner lid carefully to keep the document flat and ensure the best copy quality. For a black and white copy, press the black copy button. For a color copy, press the color copy button. The printer will scan the document and automatically print your photocopy in just a few moments. And that's it! Your Canon PIXMA E470 photocopy is ready. Like, subscribe, and follow for more printer tips.